Hello. Hey guys, it's Obnoxious. Welcome to my Python HTTP automation tutorial. I'm going to be starting out this tutorial teaching you guys how to get a request from your Firefox or Google Chrome, just your general internet browser, and get it into Sublime or your preferred Python IDE as quick as humanly possible. So what you're going to have to do is, like I just did, right click on the page and get inspect element up. I think you could press Shift Q or something. I don't know what the hot key is, but you can right click and hit inspect element. You'll get this menu up. Then you want to go into network. And now you want to make the request. Actually, before you do that, you want to go here into the cog and hit persist logs. This is just in case that if the page changes, it'll wipe the old logs, and you want them all to be there just in case. So I'm gonna be making a Discord registration bot as my tutorial, and the first part in that would be you go to the login page. You just can all of these until the request you want happens. Just keep canning them because it'll just be too much in there for you to look at. But now that you're on this page, you'll want to go to register, and once again just can them, and we'll put in this email, and we'll put in a username, Billy Bobby or something, doesn't matter, and put in some random password. You might want to remember it if you want to use the account or something, I don't know, but anyways, fill out with some random information, doesn't really matter. Hit continue. Once you do that, you're gonna get a post request. Usually, I'm saying usually because if you're not doing this for Discord, you're gonna have a different experience from website to website, but generally you're gonna see a post request. A lot of the times you'll get some JSON returned here like this. Other times it'll just be like plain text that you have to parse, like with split or like, I don't know, just some stupid shit. But anyways, if you want to get it into Sublime, you copy the request, or sorry, rather, you right click the request, you go to copy value, and you want to go to copy as CURL. And once you get that, you now want to go to a CURL to Python requests converter. And that's this website, curlconverter.com. And you copy and paste the curl command, and you select Python requests. It also does many other languages, libraries, but we're just doing Python for now. And then it'll give you this huge output right here. You want to copy and paste this whole thing, put it into Sublime. Now, let's save this as a file. Oh, I did not switch it to Sublime. Okay, but I switch it to Sublime now. And I'm going to save this file in just my home folder, testing the Python. You guys can't see that, but I'm just saving it. You guys should be able to figure that out. If you're programming, you should know how to save a file. If you don't know how to save a file, you're beyond my help, okay? But just figure out some formatting, and sometimes you'll get a warning like this: JSON data will not be serialized by requests exactly as it was in the original request. Typically this won't matter that much. Yeah, it should be fine, but anyways, you can just remove this, to be honest. So the reason why we have accept encoding, cookies, and trailers and whatever the shit disabled, either because it doesn't support it or it just doesn't matter, because like we have cookies over here already, so we don't need it doubled, so we can just remove this shit. I just want to clean this up, and we might as well remove this too, or just leave this here uncommented. I don't know, maybe you'll want to comment it in, maybe it's causing some kind of problems the way it's automatically being handled. That won't be a common problem, but it happens, I think, unless I'm just hallucinating. But just to make sure it works, you can fill in print response.txt. I'm using GitHub Copilot, so it's just suggesting these for me, but that's what I was going to type anyway. And then you can, it's good with Sublime Text, you can hit Control B to run your code, and as you see here, we get exactly what the response was in Firefox, a JSON response telling us that a CAPTCHA is required. Now, in my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the actual full process in Sublime to actually do the registration, do the HCAPTCHA using a 2CAPTCHA API, and then save the login credentials locally and allow it to go fully automated in a loop, which will result in a fully automated Discord registration bot. And if email verification is required, I'm also going to make another video showing you how to make a email verification bot for your other bot, which will typically use something like a drop email service like this one, yanum.dismail.de, where you should be able to just send a GET request here and parse it, but I'll do an actual tutorial. Yeah, that's just about what I wanted to show in this tutorial. Please let me know if there's anything you guys would like me to redo or cover in the future, or if anything that wasn't easily understandable here, I'll redo it. I don't know, that should be just about it, I think. Thank you very much for watching. Please have a nice rest of your day, and I hope you watch the rest of the series.